So what's important to you when you're looking for a decorator or a painting contractor? You're looking for the best finish you can get. Whether you have a luxury new build, your kitchen extension with those beautiful bifold doors, or you're repainting your master bedroom, your dining room, it's just a repaint in the kitchen, or you're redoing an old piece of furniture that you're ready for throwing away. So the quality of finish is everything, and so it should be. The finish on the doors will amaze you, your friends and your family. When the doors look that good, obviously what they're going to do is want to touch it. And they're going to ask you, how did you get such a lovely finish? How? We sprayed it here on site. So what paint do you use? Paint's paint, isn't it? No, not really. Over the past 25 years, we've used pretty much every paint and product on the market. We've tested them all. In fact, we test them on a daily basis to make sure that we get the best products for you guys. Why? Well, problems happen. Your kids get a little carried away with the crayons, decide to draw on the walls, you decide you want to move something, lights, switches. You need the ability to be able to touch up without causing yourself any problems. This is when our knowledge of products and paints is a benefit to you guys. You guys can't wait for us decorators to turn up, but trust me, you can't wait for us to leave. Working in someone's kitchen like this it's just a nightmare. The disruption, it drives you mad. You can't wait to get us out the door. So when working on site, we usually have to work around all the other trades. It just turns into a bit of a mare. We're all working on top of each other. But don't worry, we've got a bold statement for you. We can cut your projects in half. How? Well, over the past 25 years, we've designed and delivered high efficient systems using spray technology so that we deliver your projects way ahead of time. As a builder, you're probably thinking, fantastic, half the time, it's got to be cheaper. As a client, you're thinking, surely, if it's a higher quality finish, I'm going to end up having to pay more. The bottom line is, no, to both of you. We're competitive. We always have been. Living and working in the southeast and so close to London, there's always been a lot of competition around here. So we've always had to be competitive. That's what's made us into such good business. We try to make life as easy as we can for you guys. So if you're a builder, just send over the plans. What we'll do is turn them around very quickly and we'll send you a budget quote to make sure that the project fits within your budget. If you're a client, you can also either send plans, maybe some photos, some rough dimensions, and again, we can just get a price over to you so you get a rough idea what it's going to cost. Why? Time's really important to you guys, so we've tried to streamline the process for you. So once you've received the quote, if it fits with your budget, give us a call, we'll pop over, we'll run through everything with you. We'll have a walk round, we'll make sure we've got everything ticked off, we'll talk about the final pricing, we'll book in some dates, and we'll get this thing moving. So just one final note, we've got a guarantee for you guys. In fact, we've got 3. First, we guarantee you'll find someone cheaper. 2, we guarantee they'll take twice as long. 3, we guarantee they won't deliver the finish that we do. So, get in touch.